Imagine guys, losing a client that you work so hard, all because of careless mistakes. So now guys, let's talk about data privacy. Iba nagsasabi, it's just a small detail, pero trust me, it's a huge deal. Never ever share information of your clients without permission, especially financial statement. Bigyan ko kayo guys ng example. So let's say yung nakakita nung live mo, minessage niya yung client, anong mararamdaman ng client mo? They feel betrayed, they feel unsafe. At marami nagsasabi dyan na baka bago lang, na baka hindi niya alam. Whether bago ka guys or experienced na, ignorance is not an excuse. Respect and confidentiality is non-negotiable. Ang pagkakamali lang guys, domino effect yan sa lahat ng VA. Maghihintay pa ba tayo na magkaroon tayo ng NDA, non-disclosure agreement? Tapos magkaroon ng background checks, mga ganun-ganun. Naku, wag na nating hintayin mga mi. If you want to be treated as a professional, act as a professional. Yun lang mga mi.